showing you a vintage swordfish restoration. It had fallen off the wall years ago, been wrapped up, stashed in a warehouse, and the guy didn't think it could be restored, but we gave it a shot, and it didn't come out too bad. See how bad the tail is, eaten away, and there's a crack in the body all the way down. One of the fins are missing, the face is totally smashed, and the sword is gone. The hanger fell off the back. Here's one of the fins I made out of a thin piece of oak and some lacquer. Epoxied it on, abondoed the face, redid the sword. I carved a piece of wood for the missing piece, and then just filled it in with Bondo and just shaped it. Kind of matched, little by little, matching the color here, filling in the small cracks. Still missing the fin there, but this is just part of the process. I added length to the nose, the sword. It was missing, and I looked at the ones online, they were a lot longer, so I added a little to it. You see the body's pretty beat up. Here's the sword that I added. Bondoing the crack that's in the body itself. And this is the finished fish. This is the fin after I sprayed it and put dots on it, and I had to redo the certificate. It was sun bleached. And this is it on the owner's wall, completed. Thanks for watching.